This is the Nooteboom trailer I've been making, and I just wanted to show you the different connections on it. This is it in its longest form, and I'll show you how I shorten it up. There's a dowel connection running through here, so if I push out that dowel I can grip it here and the trailer comes apart there. Now I can take this dolly apart as well. Again, there's a dowel connection here, and now the dolly can be stored on the trailer. We can leave that dowel with the dolly, and then this is the swan neck, just a simple piece, and it fits onto the lorry there, and then it can reverse back into the trailer to make a shortened version of the trailer. Push the dowel through, and there we go with a shortened version of the trailer.